How to find Discord ID. Quick and easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to find your Discord ID. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up Discord, get to discord.com and sign in to your account. This is my Discord and I'll show you how to find ID of any member or any friend on Discord. So for that, you will have to open up your profile. So you can just click right here and go to your account. In my account, what I want you to do is simply scroll down to advanced right here. In advanced, you will find an option of developer mode. Developer mode exposes content menu items helpful for people writing code using the Discord API. So you have to switch on this option, enable this one. You can see now it has been enabled. So once this is enabled, now we will be able to find the Discord ID. Once you're done, now we can escape. Our developer mode is on. You can go to your DMs and what you have to do is open up a profile. You can see this is where you will get. Now you have to click on these three dots and it will reveal their Discord ID, and this is how you can go ahead and find Discord ID. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.